Okay, we're going to wrap up the 500 gram section over here at ALs Fireworks store in Muskegon, Michigan. Got a little bit left to go. We're going to jump right in. Believe I was at Neon Celebration up top here. 75 bucks by Raccoon. How many shots are you? 60 shots. Patriotic Dominance, 10 shots by Dominator. 55 bucks. And then down here we got Hit the Lights by Pyro Demon. 25 shots, 55. We got Riders in the Sky by Fisherman. 45 bucks. We got Ammo Box, 40 bucks by Raccoon, 20 shots. We got Junkyard Croc, $45, 23 shots. We got Special Offer, 45 bucks by Raccoon. We got Patriotic Waves, 60 bucks. Silent Assassin by Raccoon, 62 bucks. Got Outlaw Pyro, 60 bucks by Raccoon. Time to Rain by Pyro Demon, $55, 24 shots. Kick Ass, 45 bucks, 12 shots by MC. We got Backhand, 9 shots, 40 bucks. That looks like Pacquiao. We got Bitch Slap. That is not a bitch slap. 35 bucks by Fisherman. We got Hood Rich, 45 bucks, 16 shots by Fisherman. The Good Shit, 65 bucks. Okay. 45 bucks. I'll light it up. 24. 12 shots. This video is going to get taken down. Okay. Well, 55 bucks. 25 shots. Bitch, better have my honey. I had to say it, didn't I? Oh boy. What do we got here? Touch of Gold. Nice 9 shot. 100 bucks. That's like the going rate of them now, if not more. Ride the Lightning by Bada Boom. 100 bucks. Same thing. Touch of Gold. 100 bucks. What we got down here? Pyro Candy. 9 shots by Winda. 100 bucks. Ghost Dragon. If you haven't tried Ghost Dragon yet, you are missing out. 125. Honestly, in my opinion, you're just better off buying the shells, but it's always nice to have a big friggin' cake doing big work. Home of the Brave. 9 shots, 100 bucks. Pyro Demon. He has 1 wacky tobacco left. 100 bucks. Spin around here. We got Silky Sweet by Dominator, 55 bucks, 25 shots. There is, what is this? American Thunder, American Storm, American Steel, and American Muscle. You can get a deal on them. You can get all 4. And and it's 180 bucks. Those are all by Dominator. And over here we got Freedom Rider, 120 bucks, 40 shots by Raccoon. Ghost Spirit, 100 bucks. Wave the Flag. Yes, sir. 221 shots by Shogun. 150. Neon Butterflies. 54 shots, 100 bucks. We got Light Chasers by Winda. 55 bucks, 33 shots. Swing over here. Holy Horsetail, 100 bucks. Nishiki Heaven by Pyro Demon, 100 bucks. And then T-Sky Fireworks, 85 bucks. YOLO, 9 shots. Got a whole bunch of them. What else we got? Diablo Rising, 32 bucks, 9 shots. Dr. Feelgood, 40 bucks. 25 shots. We got Firing Line and Daybreak. Each of them 25 shots, each of them 40 bucks. We got Death Punch and Knockout. Each of them 45 bucks, each of them 9 shots. We got General Tsao and Band of Brothers. General Tsao is 12 shots and 40 bucks. Band of Brothers is $35 and 12 shots. We got Irish Legend by Brothers, 30 shots, 35 bucks. Skyscraper by Brothers, 30 shots, 42 bucks. We got Thumper, 40 bucks. By Fisherman. Krypton Rising, 32 bucks, 9 shots. By Krypton Fireworks. We got SWAT Team by Dominator, 30 bucks, 20 shots. We got Full Contact by Dominator, 30 bucks, 7 shots. Got some single shots here. Red Delilah, 12 bucks. Red to Crackle, 12 bucks. Brocade Silver to Green, 12 bucks. Brocade Crown, 12 bucks. Gold Willow with Crackle. Everything's 12 bucks. Multicolor Peony with Crackle, 12 bucks. Got some blaster shots here, 10 bucks. Yeah, Brocade Bash by Pyro King, 28 bucks, 12 shots. Mr. Roboto, 28 bucks, 33 shots by MC. We have Phoenix Flames, 28 bucks with a shot count that is 27 shots. Social Distance, 16 shots, 35 bucks. Pyro Demon has a mask on. Down here we got Hand of Doom, 10 shots, 18 bucks. An 8-shot Big Burst Rack, 20 bucks by Shogun. Down here we have Spinnin' by MC. 16 shots for 30 bucks. Then we have Out of Control by Power Blast, 9 shots, 20 bucks. And Rock and Roll by MC, 30 bucks. And Raging Willow, 20 bucks by Raccoon. And that, I believe, is all the 500s with a little bit of 200s mixed in there. So, yeah, next one will be 200s, and we'll get some novelties in here, I think, too. Very, very nice variety out here, and he definitely has stock, so I'd recommend coming out. Definitely, for sure. It's a nicely set up place, and I actually like it. It's a nice store. It's small enough, but it's still got a lot of stock, so it's definitely well organized as well, too.